Good morning, ma'am. How can I help you today?
Good morning, officer. I want to report something.
Sure, please take your time. What happened?
I lost my bag this morning on the bus.
Oh, I see. I'm sorry to hear that.
Thank you. It had some important things inside.
Don't worry. We'll do our best to help you.
Thank you so much, officer.
Can I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Lisa Brown.
All right, Ms. Brown. When did this happen?
Around 8:30 this morning.
And where exactly were you?
I was on the city bus, number 45.
Do you remember the route?
Yes, from Central Park to River Street.
Okay. Did you notice anything unusual?
I think someone was standing very close to me.
Really? Could you describe that person?
He was tall, maybe in his 30s, wearing a black jacket.
That's good information. Thank you.
I tried to move, but the bus was crowded.
Yes, that happens often in the morning.
When I got off, I saw my bag was gone.
That must have been very stressful.
Yes, I felt really upset.
What did the bag look like?
It was a small brown leather bag.
Okay, brown leather. Any brand name on it?
Yes, it says Luna on the front.
Got it. What was inside the bag?
My ID, my phone, and some cash.
How much cash, roughly?
Around $50.
All right, I've noted that.
Should I give you my ID details?
Yes, please. Do you have a copy or number?
I have the number written here.
Thank you. I'll write it down.
Will you be able to track it?
We'll check with the bus station and CCTV footage.
That's great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. We'll do everything possible.
Do I need to sign anything?
Yes, I'll prepare a report for you to sign.
Okay, that's fine.
One moment, please.
Sure, take your time.
All right, I just need a few more details.
Of course.
What time did you realize your bag was missing?
Right after I got off the bus, maybe 8:40?
And where did you get off?
Near River Street Market.
Okay, that helps narrow it down.
I really hope someone finds it.
We'll alert nearby stations too.
That's very kind of you.
Have you tried calling your phone?
Yes, but it's turned off.
That's not a good sign.
Yeah, I think they turned it off right away.
Don't worry, we can still track it if needed.
Really? That's good to know.
Yes, technology helps us a lot.
I feel a bit better now.
That's good. We're here to help.
Thank you, officer. You're very kind.
Just doing my duty, ma'am.
You must deal with many cases like this, right?
Yes, we get several reports every day.
Oh, that must be hard work.
It is, but helping people feels good.
That's wonderful to hear.
Here's your report number. Please keep it safe.
Thank you. What should I do next?
If anyone finds your bag, we'll call you right away.
That's good. Here's my phone number too.
All right, noted?
Should I check the bus company as well?
Yes, you can call their lost and found desk.
Okay, I'll do that today.
Good idea. It might help.
Do I need to come back here later?
We'll contact you if there's any update.
Great. Thank you.
Could you sign here, please?
Sure.
Thank you, Miss Brown.
You're welcome.
Don't worry too much, okay?
I'll try not to.
These things happen. You did the right thing by reporting.
I hope it helps.
It always helps to report quickly.
That makes sense.
Where do you live, ma'am?
On Pine Street, near the old library.
That's not too far from here.
Yes, about 10 minutes by bus.
Good. We'll update you soon.
Thank you, officer.
Do you remember your bus driver or bus color?
The bus was blue and white, but I didn't see the driver clearly.
That's okay. We'll find out.
You guys are really helpful.
We try our best every day.
I can see that.
Anything else you'd like to add?
I think that's all.
All right. Thank you for your time.
No, thank you for listening so patiently.
It's part of the job.
Still, I really appreciate it.
You're welcome, ma'am.
I was nervous before coming here.
Many people feel that way, but it's safe here.
Yes, I can see that now.
We always want people to feel comfortable.
That's nice to hear.
Do you have any family nearby?
Yes, my brother lives close.
Good. Let him know what happened.
I will. He can help me too.
Perfect.
Do you think I'll get my bag back?
There's a good chance if someone honest finds it.
I hope so.
Stay positive, ma'am.
I'll try.
Would you like a copy of the report?
Yes, please. That would help.
Here you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You've been really kind.
Just doing my duty.
I'll check with the bus company too.
Good plan.
If I find anything, I'll call you right away.
Please do. That'll help our follow-up.
All right, I'll do that.
Is there anything else I can help with?
No, I think that's all for now.
Okay. Have a safe day, Ms. Brown.
You too, officer.
And don't forget, keep your things close next time.
Yes, lesson learned.
Happens to all of us.
Thank you again for your time.
Anytime, ma'am.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Take care.
I will.
And stay safe.
I will, officer. Thanks again.
You're very welcome.